So this is the Lamb secret chili oil recipe. Well, not so secret anymore. You'll need 3 to 4 spring onions. Because the spring onion I'm using is quite large, I used 2.5 spring onions and I sliced them in half. 1 tablespoon of sliced ginger, 2 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic, half a teaspoon of sugar. This is optional, but this is 1/4 of Sichuan pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of chili powder. We are using Thai chili powder, half a cup of peanut oil or another oil of your choice, but make sure it has a high smoking point, a heat-proof bowl, also a clean jar to put your chili oil in. So in a bowl, we want to put in our garlic, sugar, Sichuan pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, three tablespoons chili flakes. Give it a mix. And then we set this aside. Place in your spring onions. Slowly infuse the ginger and the spring onion into your oil, keeping an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. Remove any that start to brown into the plate. Make sure to shake off any oil. Spring onions will brown faster than the ginger. Once the ginger starts to brown, remove them to the bowl. So this is what you're left with.